Okay, today is Monday, April 11. Yeah, okay. The other housing, it's painted and it's curing the color. It's gonna be ready tomorrow. It's gonna be dry and I'm gonna be able to touch it. Now, what can I do today? I said to Isaac to bring me some seals, same seals like this one. I give him the part number and a sample of the seal, and he bring me this. This seal is not the same. This seal does have rotation. You see that this seal has an arrow. There is an arrow on this seal. You cannot see now, okay? And there is this pattern inside. On this seal there is no. And I'm not gonna use this seal. Why this happening? Because I used two seals, two new seals on the other transmission outside. What can I do now? This is going back. I don't want this inside. I'm gonna close the donor transmission with a broken housing and with this housing. Because like I said before, the customer, he will gonna get one complete transmission. One will gonna be installed on the car and the other one here will gonna get it closed, not in pieces. Let's do this today. I fixed the tool also for the seal. Take a look what I did. Go figure out, yeah. Anyhow, these are the healthy gears, what I'm gonna use for the other housing. So all the rest I have it outside. The only thing what I have inside the lens room is this one and this one. And the seal, the old seal. I'm gonna put the old seal here just to be in place. Because okay, instead of throwing it or instead of sending it, giving separate, I'm gonna put back in place here and finish the story. Now I have the tool. Okay, this transmission, it's closed. Okay, TCU back in place, the old oil filter inside, the oil pan with the old seal back, the transfer case. Yeah, I didn't tighten that. This gear, it's the old gear, the exploded one. The transfer case, the exploded one. That's how I received the transmission, the donor transmission. This MCD, the torque converter, it's from the other transmission that has a glitter inside. Here we have the gasket from the other one. This has here, so that means 3 gaskets. Bearings, seals, the seals from the drums, more bearings, exploded bearing, the nut, one nut is here, one nut is there, and the new nut is gonna be on the other one. So this transmission need to be wrapped with nylon with the old parts, goes back to the customer. At least I close one, something is that. I close also the other one over there that they're fixing the guys. It's not the only one. Yeah, at least something that's not on my way. Something's up, right? That's it for now. Tomorrow, when we're gonna cure the paint on the other housing, I'm gonna start closing also the other one. Thank you. I forget to show you also from this side, the gear selector is on. That's how I receive it.